Hey guys, I'm Sebastian with 4Runner Lifestyle, and today we are back with another install. This is a special install because this is a product that we have designed here in-house. And the person that designed it is standing to my right. This is Connor. He is our in-house engineer here with 4Runner Lifestyle, and he designed something really cool for us. Connor, tell us about it.
So what we have here is a grab handle made out of 6061 T6 aluminum. It has been type 2 anodized and teflon coated. So what that basically means is this is great as a high touch point area in the car. You're not going to see it get shiny and rub down and wear out quickly over time. It has also been bead blasted, so it has a really nice light texture on it, and it feels good and it goes right in. It's really easy to install, and we just wanted to make it a quick, simple install and something that just looks good in the vehicle.
And correct me if I'm wrong, we can use these for all 4 grab handles, correct?
Correct, yeah. So you got your driver, passenger, and both your passengers in the back. This will work for all 4 of them.
Awesome. Well, let's get into the install. Okay, so in order to start this install, we're gonna need to remove the existing grab handle. This is a really easy process. All you're gonna need is your pry tool. I'm gonna start by pulling the handle down like this, and you'll see that there's 2 plastic covers right here. We're gonna need to take each one of those off. So in order to do that, we'll take our pry tool, and located on either side of these plastic plugs is a little hole, and you'll just stick the pry tool in there, and you're just gonna slowly try to back that off. Now, these have been removed before, so this is gonna come out just a little easier than it should come out for you, but it shouldn't be too hard once you get this piece taken off. Repeat the process right over here on the other side, again by sticking your pry tool into one of the holes on the side, and then slowly backing out that plastic piece. After you've done that, you'll have 2 metal clips in here. And the best thing you can do is just kind of move the top one down just a little bit to release the tension off of your OEM grab handle. We'll take this now, sit it aside, and you'll go ahead and remove these pieces really quick. So now we'll grab our new grab handle, as well as the 2 metal clips that we took from our OEM grab handle and the provided plugs that come with your new grab handle. We'll be using all of these in this next part. I like to start by taking my clips and placing them inside of my new grab handle at first. They should just click right into place. Just pinch them down a little bit, push it in until you hear that click. Then we'll take the grab handle itself and slide it into place. And you'll hear it click like that. I like to keep my hand up on here before I've placed the clips, just to ensure that it doesn't go anywhere. And make sure you heard those 2 clips. Make sure that things seem kind of snug. And then we'll go ahead and place our new plastic plugs in there, just like so. And it is a little bit of a tight fit, but goes all the way up. Push it into place till you can't push it anymore. Do the same on the other side. And with those simple steps, you have an all new grab handle that not only looks great, but is incredibly sturdy. All right guys, and with those simple steps, you have brand new grab handles that are not only a huge upgrade from the OEM ones, but they look great too. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what install you'd like to see next, or what kind of products you'd like to see from us next. Catch you guys next time.